English together.
At the post office.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to send this package to Los Angeles.
Sure. Please put it on the scale.
Here you go.
It weighs about 4 pounds. Do you want express or regular delivery?
How long is Express?
Express is overnight. Regular is 2 to 3 business days.
I'll choose Express, please.
Please fill out this address label. Write the destination and your return address.
Okay, I finished.
Thank you. The delivery charge is $40.
Here's $40.
Thank you.
Do you sell stamps?
Yes. How many do you need?
5 stamps, please.
Here you go. That's $4. Thank you. Is there anything else?
No, that's all.
Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.